Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use Claude AI chatbot. Claude AI is just like any other chatbot, but what makes it special it's its safety, so there's nothing in the type of inappropriate stuff or anything like that, and it's very simple. That's what makes it unique. So we have a text bar, we can type our prompt in, then we have screenshots. We can upload any screenshot. We can upload files. Say you want to upload a PDF document that you want the chatbot to use it as a source for, let's say, answering some of your questions. I've used it many times and it's also like proven to be amazing. The answers are quite right. And it's overall a very simple page. We can choose a style of explaining, so shorter responses, more messages, educational explanations, formal, say you want to write an email. Then we can also make a new chat if we want to talk about a different topic. We can also change the font. It's basically a very nice, very optimized AI chatbot, which you can use to your liking. So you can also have dyslexic friendly text. So look at that, just how it makes it so easy to read. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope it finds you well. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.